So if you're born in the month of August and you always wonder what is in store for you, because you do not know your birth year, you do not know your birthday, but you do know your month. In that case, you are in luck. As in this series, today I'm sharing about the month of August. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani. Welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. In this series on the month, so far we have discussed from January to July, and today is all about August. So if you see numerologically or numerically, it's the 8th month. So they have association with number 8. Well, how are these folks, their relationships, success, health, wealth? I'm about to share. Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications so you don't miss the episodes that I release here every Wednesday and Sunday in English and Hindi based on numerology, astrology, vastu, some of my insights and experiences. Well, August month folks are independent nature. They are strong physical personalities. They don't shun from hard work. Mental energy, mental strength, smartness, intelligence are few key buzzwords that resonate very well with those born in the month of August. Now, just a caveat. Everything I share here, if you're born in the month of August, may not relate to you, but some of it will surely do. Look forward to your comments, what you found related to you, but yes, there are always exceptions. These people are great counselors. People come to them or look up to them for their advice, and sometimes they do offer advice even not asked for, but they have a very sophisticated, polished taste. Success finds them and comes to them, all due to their determination, persistence and hard work. However, one area where they need to improve is have a filter. Although they don't say wrong, they speak truth, but how do you present the truth makes the whole difference, and that's where they need to work. Now, in terms of work, these people will thrive in the business area, independent business, or anywhere in the career where they get to lead or be the project leaders, administration, or in any organization. Otherwise, they'll do very well in business, creative fields, legal, real estate, research-oriented, even arts, philosophical areas, astrology area. They could be great speakers and organizers. However, their thought is always futuristic. They think ahead of the time. And sometimes it's so ahead of the time, let's say if someone, these days everybody is talking about AI and crypto. These folks might be the forefathers who might had these ideas even before anybody else. So that's month August. They will talk about something which nobody had an idea. They might be the first ones. Now, in terms of marriage, if they marry early, like by the age of 24, 25, that may not go pretty well, or there might be a breakup, or if they are dating, initially that might not work. But the later when they marry, they settle well. However, they are devoted and loyal. Now, many of you who got married early on and are born in the month of August may not have gone through breakup or separation, because as I said, there are always exceptions, and it is also seen the compatibility with the spouse. However, these folks are drawn to those who have 2, 4, 8 in the folks who they are associated, either friends or partners. So that's just the natural attraction with these numbers. Marriage-wise, they are loyal, they do take care of their spouses, and they're dependable. In terms of health, I would say these people, they bounce back. They do go through some major issues, health issues, but they'll bounce back, or they may not go through any major health issues. Now, there are all sorts of examples, so I again will look forward to your comment if you are born in the month of August and what's your experience. Overall, money, they are lucky people. And lucky, when I say that, life teaches them early on and they go through struggle. They may lose one of the parents when they were quite young, or even they have parents, they took on the family responsibility that brought them much more maturity than their age, or the life made them learn some new things, and what they learned from the life, those lessons help them elevate their experience, elevate their success, and they make good money. However, if you are the one who's struggling, stay with me. I'm about to share the bonus tip as well. In terms of color, they should use light colors, yellow, saffron colors, or light blue. Avoid black. Yes, they should avoid black. Now, overall, for you, if you want to find success, you should be. But if you are, and make sure you seek blessings of your elders, elder male in the family, elder female in the family, or your mentors. However, watch what you say and how you say. You may say the right thing, but you have to be mindful of the timing, the location, the environment, and whether it is something you are in the position to say it. And sometimes not saying might be better. You end up worrying about something you did that's thinking afterwards you did. So I would say this is the area where you have to work, but as a habit, avoid having non-vegetarian meals or liquor on Saturday. Day-wise, Monday is good for you, Friday is good, Thursday is good. However, many of you may say that Saturday has proven lucky for you. Again, that may vary. So some of you may say Saturday doesn't sit well, some of you may say Saturday works wonders. However, Friday will do you good. Try to offer some prasad or have some light yellow like the peaches, or any prasad made of a jaggery, or offer to the church, mosque, or temple, whatever you follow. What is important for those born in the month of 8, that you will not miss them. You will see these people are always engaged in conversations related to money and business. They may have interest in reading about the business, or reading newspapers or the blogs, or talking about it, and they don't hesitate to give the advice, and they give great advice too. Indeed, many of the folks have risen in life because of their advice, and they wonder, why not me? Well, 8 is infinity. Month August does bring its challenge and success, but this is the number that thrives pretty well in the top leadership positions and in business. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to give us a like and a share, and I'll see you soon.